Welcome, Bougie babes. This is my first time posting since deciding to become consistent, so consider this my welcome home video. Today what we'll be doing is this pretty blue look, and I used the Glam Galore loose pigment, and guess what the name of the color is though? It's called Bougie. It's called Bougie. I think she made it just for me. If she didn't, we're just gonna act like she did. If you all are wondering, this hair is Luxe Hair Teak, which is my brand. I do have my own luxury Indian hairline, also a custom wig boutique. So let me know if you're interested in a custom unit and I can hook you up, honey. Let me lace your next install. I have so many plugs throughout this video, guys. Glam Galore Club, I'm actually a brand ambassador for. Their products are great. If you want to purchase, then you can use my coupon code. It's GURUSB, GURUSB. Thanks. But anyway, I don't want to talk too much, so let's get in it. Let's go. So as I mentioned in the intro of the video, we're gonna be playing with some new products. We finna get it popping. All right, so I mentioned in the beginning that we're gonna be featuring this color right here. Yes. Okay, so this is Glam Galore Club's loose pigment in Bougie. And since she made it just for me, it's only right that I bust out the Bougie on the first installment of my YouTube channel. Yeah, like I had a YouTube channel back in the back days, like so long ago, and it was back when it was weird to be on YouTube. Like, yeah, it used to be weird for people to make YouTube videos, and I used to make like crazy videos of me just doing the most random stuff. And I would never like tell people to watch my videos because I was kind of like low-key ashamed that I made videos, because you know it was weird, nobody was really doing it. And so after a while, you know, life happens, I get busy, I got busy, and I just start really making videos. And then I like changed my name to Brushwork by Suzie Bougie, so I would only post makeup videos. And I did a few, and they got I had got some good feedback on it, but just stopped doing it. But now I have made a conscious decision that I am going to be consistent on YouTube, because this is what I like to do. I love to talk to myself. So I'm talking to the camera, it's like talking to myself. But I do. I love to talk. I love to entertain people, and I love to do makeup. So why not blend that together with a YouTube channel? So yeah, I will be more consistent in posting content, and hopefully you guys can get to know me and I can become one of your faves to watch on YouTube. Yeah, but as you can see, this is, you know, not the best quality of videos, but if I kept giving myself excuses on why I have not released my first video, I would never release my first video. And you know, I listen to this motivational speaker on Instagram. I cannot think of this lady name, but she has this thing that's like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, do it. Like, just do it. So you count down, and whatever you was procrastinating about doing, think about doing, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just do it. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'm making this video. There's no time greater than the present. So y'all get to witness my glow up, right? From the time that I started right now until, you know, I reach my final form. I ain't no Mighty Morphin Power Ranger. I used the same brand that I was just talking about, Glam Galore Clubs. I used their brow pomade in dark brown. I showed y'all, like, I seen what they look like. All right, y'all, I'm back. I'm back like I never left. All right, so we're gonna get into the eyes. So, you know, everybody is different. I usually do my eyeshadow before I do my foundation, because I don't like the way my eyebrows turn out when I put foundation already on top. So we're gonna use this white concealer to prime our lid since we're using a bold color. I use concealer to prime sometimes just because it's white. It gives us something to adhere to. Y'all know them primers that all the YouTubers be using. I want to try it. I can't think of nothing. See, it's too late for me to be making videos. I don't know the name of it. I don't want to do a cut crease today. Y'all done seen like a million cut creases. Like, let's switch the game up today. We're not gonna do a cut crease. We're just not. I don't want to do it, and I don't think I should have to do it if I don't really want to do it. So I'm starting off with the Zulu palette, Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm using this brown color right here. I look orangey on camera, but it's actually brown, so don't come for me, come for your mama. I have been so far away, and I'm sorry, but I recognize the error in my ways, and I'm here. I'm here. This video seems a little off to me. I feel like I'm not being myself, and it's because I can't talk loud because my children are sleeping. But like I said, I just had to get this first video out. So this first video is not going to be perfect. But guess what? Y'all going to take it, and y'all going to live it, and y'all going to leave me the F alone. I just playing. How do you talk to your people like that? How do you do that? I don't know. I just playing, y'all. So I think I want to take this yellow from this same Zulu palette and go right above that brown that I placed. These lights is making me hot in the brig. Braxton, hot in the brig. I need to be stopped. Something's wrong with me. Now it's time for the blue. Now it's time for the blue. So we're gonna pick this blue up with this flat brush and see what it do. And there is some fallout as I expected. Okay, so problem number one. My brush is a little damp because I just cleaned it. And the color probably would pop better if it wasn't wet. You see how it's going on over that? So I think I'm gonna lay it first and then go back over it. I'm gonna go back in with this brown shade to blend it out a little bit. That's what I love about makeup. Like, it can always be fixed. You don't like it, you can fix it. Like, you can always go over it and make it what you want it to be. It looks good, sis. You look good. You look blessed. You look bougie. All right, I like it. So now what I'm gonna do is highlight my inner corners. This first video is rough. It is rough. I'm sorry. I'm honestly used to doing videos on live, and that's so much easier because people can interact with you. I used to be good at YouTube, but I don't know. I'm holding back or something. Something not right. I'm going in with this box of crayons palette, and there's the color blue is a shimmery blue. So I'm gonna use that in my inner tear ducts and bring some sparkle there, but it's not sparkly like I thought. So sis got a fix. Never fear. Suzie's here. Yeah, it's not as shimmery as I thought. So it's okay. It's makeup. It's you know, you experiment. You don't like it, you fix it, whatever. So I'm gonna go back in with this Juvia's Place palette and take this teal color. And that's on the gang. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with foundation. I just cleaned up too much around my face, so I need to go back in with primer, even though this is gonna come off of my face right after this video is done. But you know, just for the sake of the video. So to make your makeup last, you want to use a primer. I use this NYX, no, I'm lying. This is Wet n Wild Matte Photo Focus Face Primer. I'm going to go in with this LA Pro Concealer in Fawn. And I do my under eye with this. Well, I highlight period with this. Period poo. Period, sis. Where did period poo come from? It's so weird. Period poo. Them city girls did that. Let me find out them city girls did that. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to dampen my beauty blender. It's still a little bit damp from when I did my makeup earlier. Ugh, that squish sound sounded disgusting. If you ever wonder why they call the term beating your face, that's why. All right, so then for my foundation, Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation. My color is 210 Togo. It can be built to full coverage, but I don't really have problematic skin, so I don't necessarily need it to be full coverage. But if I just want that good old beat down, honey, like sis, like I am unclockable, then you could do it. You just add multiple layers. If y'all see my lace pop out at any point in this video, you gotta act like you didn't see it. I'ma block you. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Just let me do my makeup how I want to. Okay. I need to be asleep. That's the problem. I'm losing my marbles. I need to be asleep. I'm not making any sense. All right, so we've done that. So now, for my contour, I use Espresso. This is the matchsticks from Fenty Beauty. Okay, feeling like I did something there. You will never try to play me in public. You will never try to play me in public. Don't play me. Play your mom. Okay, because she brought you here. I didn't tell you to come. All right, so now I'm gonna do my under eye powders. I use the Ben Nye Luxury Powder in Topaz. So I just place it there like so to set my under eye concealer up in my forehead area, down on my chin. And then I do a very light reverse contour right under where I place that contour to kind of define it. I promise we're just gonna keep getting better with time, honey. Thank you for giving me a chance. Subscribe to my channel like they be telling y'all to do. Subscribe to my channel for real. There's some great content coming your way. The people that know me can vouch for me. I'm entertaining, so. The powder that I'm using to set my contour with is Black Radiance contour palette. And this is in like deep. Oh, I'm starting to break out, and I do not break out ever. What's happening? That's the ghost of brushes past saying, wash me, sis. Is this super creepy? Hello, Chris. Why you gotta hold your mouth like this when you do mascara? Yes, I overline. So what? Sue me. I'm using Snow Orchid by MAC. I'm gonna add some highlighter to the bridge of my nose, the little tip for the little button part, and add some glow to my cheeks. The highlighter that I'm using is Glam Galore Club Sugar Daddy, loose highlighter and Sugar Daddy. Yes, honey, this is the final look. Yes, thank y'all for joining me. Like I said, this is my first video since coming back to YouTube and started to do this more consistently. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Subscribe down below, hit that bell notification. Y'all know, like they be saying, hit the bell notification so you'll always be notified when I post or upload, sis. And also remember my phrase, I'm on the next R2K19. Subscribe, tell your partners to follow me too. Thank you. Bye.